Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Visual Studio Code on Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version. Okay, first to verify. See, you don't have Visual Studio Code. Okay, first to open any browser, then go to code.visualstudio.com. For Ubuntu or Debian or Linux Mint type operating systems, we have to download this .debian package, or just click on download. See, here we have the .debian package, so click on it to download. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 108 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to show applications. See, here we have the terminal. Then go to downloads directory, ls. See, here we have the code means Visual Studio Code Debian package. You have to install it. Sudo dpkg-i, then code, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter, then provide the password and hit enter. See the message, add Microsoft apt repository for Visual Studio Code. Select yes and hit enter. See, you have successfully installed. Go to applications. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. So you got the VS Code. Okay, close this one. Even we can open by just typing code on the terminal. Hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, so yes, this file is not recorded anymore because we have successfully installed rm code. Enter ls, so we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version on Ubuntu 24.04.3 LTS version. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.